Welcome back to Car Flair. Today we showcase the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, an extraordinary transformation of one of the most iconic trucks ever built into a fully equipped luxury motorhome. Designed for adventurers who want the power of a classic American truck, combined with the comfort of a modern home on wheels. This motorhome stands out for its unmatched performance, bold styling, and expansive living space. From the outside, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome retains the unmistakable presence of the legendary W900, featuring its long nose hood, chrome accents, and commanding front grille. The robust chassis and high ground clearance make it perfectly suited for long-haul journeys across diverse terrains. Whether it's the highways of the USA, the scenic routes of Canada, the countryside of the UK, or extended tours through Germany and Japan, the exterior is equipped with roof-mounted solar panels for renewable power, large side storage compartments, and an automatic side awning to create a comfortable outdoor living area during stops. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a high-performance diesel hybrid engine, delivering exceptional torque, fuel efficiency, and reliability for extended cross-country travel. Advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensure confident handling despite its large dimensions. The heavy-duty suspension and responsive steering provide stability and comfort on both open highways and challenging back roads. Step inside, and the luxury of the Kenworth W900 Motorhome becomes clear. The main lounge area offers spacious seating upholstered in premium materials, designed to convert easily into a dining area or additional sleeping zone as needed. Panoramic windows wrap the cabin, allowing natural light to flow through and giving passengers a constant connection to the outside world. The interior is styled with high-quality wood finishes, soft LED lighting, and modern design elements that create a refined and inviting atmosphere. The kitchenette is fully equipped for the road living, featuring a large smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and ample cabinetry to store essentials for long journeys. Toward the rear, the private bedroom is a retreat of its own, with a king-size mattress, climate control soft touch finishes, and integrated charging ports to keep devices powered. The bathroom is designed with efficiency and comfort in mind, offering a water-saving shower, modern fixtures, and well-planned storage for travel essentials. A washer-dryer combo is also available in select configurations, making long-term travel even more convenient. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Smart home integration lets you manage lighting, climate, and entertainment through a central touchscreen or mobile app. Built-in Wi-Fi and advanced sound systems ensure that connectivity and entertainment are always at your fingertips. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its unmatched capacity for extended travel and storage.
Life on the move, no deadlines, no limits. Just you, the open road, and a home that follows.
With its powerful towing capabilities, it can even haul additional vehicles or recreational equipment, making it ideal for those who want to bring everything they need on their adventures. The starting price for the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is expected to begin around 450 zloty, with higher-end configurations and added features reaching up to 550 zloty, depending on customization and region. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice for travelers who demand strength, space, and sophistication in equal measure. Whether you're crossing the vast highways of North America, navigating the scenic routes of Europe, or exploring remote regions with ease. This motorhome is built to deliver unforgettable experiences at every turn. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing motorhome adventures.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching Car Flair.